Hey guys, it's Eric. It's another Red Friday. That's why I'm wearing red. You already know why I'm wearing red, so I hope you're also wearing red, and I hope you have a great weekend. Before I go any further, down here on the right, please click our red subscribe button so that you can be one of the first ones to know each time these YouTube videos go live. Today, we're going to educate you. We've done this before, but we're going to educate you on how many different lenders you should shop with when you're looking to get a VA mortgage. Now listen, if we didn't have your best interest at hand, we'd probably tell you, don't waste your time, don't waste your energy. There's no reason to shop. Of course, come on over to Low VA Rates. We're your best option. Now listen, I do think we're your best option, but we're gonna let you come up with that conclusion on your own. There's an organization out there, it's called the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They've been set up by the government to protect you, the consumer, veteran, civilian, it doesn't matter. They're there to make sure you're not getting taken advantage of and that lenders are playing fairly. Well, they did a study, I think it was a couple years ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, but they did a study that essentially said because consumers did not sufficiently shop for their mortgages, they ended up getting way higher interest rates than when they should. And they quoted some reasons why consumers didn't shop, and normally it's because they just went with whoever they felt comfortable with. They went there first, they feel comfortable, and therefore they stopped shopping. When they compared consumers that were intelligent enough to go out and shop, they realized those consumers in similar demographics, similar credit scores, similar situations got lower rates. So here's how we explain it. If you can get 2 or 3 lenders competing for your business, it's kind of like this tug of war. And what happens in a tug of war? Well, the stronger team or the stronger person ends up winning. Okay, that doesn't mean the other team wasn't good or didn't know what they were doing. It's just the better guy or girl wins in a tug of war. We want you to get the best deal possible, so we are telling you, go out and shop. Whether you're doing a VA purchase, a VA streamline, a VA cash out, or a non-VA loan, all consumers should be shopping for the best mortgage. I'm gonna go out here and tell you that you should get at least 2, okay? At a minimum, get 2 people competing, but in all reality, man, I've never seen a 3-way tug of war. I'm not even sure how that would work. But if you have at least 3 lenders, Low VA Rates and 2 others, pit us against each other, it's only gonna benefit you. It's in your best interest to make that happen. Now, if you're familiar with our $250, I'm gonna put that here, it's a nice big number, okay? If you're familiar with our $250 low APR guarantee, basically, it just gives you more incentive to go out there and spend some time shopping, because if you come back with these 2 or 3 other offers, and they're better offers than what we can give you. And I'm not gonna go into detail on this video. There are some things you need to understand about this $250 offer, but if we can't beat, not just match, but if we can't beat the best valid offer that you bring us, not only can you move forward with our competitor, knowing that we've looked over the deal and we've given it our stamp of approval, but you're gonna get a check in the mail for $250. Now, we're not in business because we're just writing $250 checks. We have lost before and we will lose in the future. But when we lose, you win. We're happy with that. We want you to get the best deal, and we'll send you $250 for putting us to the test. So please, shop for a mortgage, get people competing. You're gonna win every single time. I can't think of any reason not to do it. Honestly, as far as reasons not to shop, it's gonna take you a little bit more time, and if your time is worth that much money, then I guess don't shop. The only other reason I would think that you wouldn't wanna do this is if you are a past client of ours, and you already trust us enough because we've done your mortgages in the past, then great, don't do it. But please, shop for a mortgage. Thanks for wearing red on Fridays. Thanks for watching. This is Eric with Low VA Rates.